If you feel off, tired all the time, your ankles are puffier than usual, and you just can't seem to think clearly. You blame it on stress, a few bad nights of sleep, or just getting older. But it's not just life. Your body could be sounding a silent alarm system, trying to warn you about something much deeper. Welcome to Levitas. Our kidneys are absolute masters of disguise. They are performing hundreds of functions every single day, and they often work tirelessly, without a single complaint, until they are in serious trouble. That's what we're talking about today, the subtle, and sometimes not so subtle, signs that your kidneys are struggling. Before we dive in, I have an important question for you. What's one health signal you've been ignoring lately? Maybe it's fatigue, maybe it's a new ache. Let us know in the comments. Your insights build this community, and be sure to like this video, it truly helps the channel. Sign number 1. Alright, let's start with the most direct sign, the one coming straight from the source. We're talking about changes in your urine. Now, many people think this just means having to get up in the middle of the night, and yes, that can be a sign. It's called nocturia. But I want you to look deeper. I want you to look at the appearance of the urine itself. The biggest red flag? Foamy or bubbly urine. If you see this consistently, not just once, but day after day, it is a major signal. This foam is often caused by proteinuria, which is a clinical way of saying protein is leaking from your blood into your urine. Think of your kidneys as a highly advanced coffee filter. They're supposed to keep the good stuff, like protein, in your body, and let the waste stuff out. When that filter, the glomeruli, is damaged, protein escapes. This isn't just a theory. A 2018 study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology reinforced that the amount of protein in the urine is one of the single best predictors for how fast chronic kidney disease will progress. So, if you see persistent foam, or if your urine suddenly looks pink or brown, which could be blood, it's time to get it checked. Sign number 2. But what if the signs aren't in the toilet? What if they're in your head and in your bones? Let's talk about fatigue. I am not talking about I'm a little sleepy tiredness. I'm talking about profound, systemic exhaustion. The kind where you sleep 8 hours, wake up, and feel like you never went to bed at all. This happens for 2 major reasons in kidney disease. First, anemia. Healthy kidneys produce a vital hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO. EPO is the manager that tells your bone marrow, hey, make more red blood cells. When your kidneys fail, they stop making enough EPO. Your red blood cell count drops. And since red blood cells carry oxygen, your muscles and your brain are literally starved for oxygen. That is a fatigue you can't just push through. Second, uremia. This is the big one. When the kidney filters fail, waste products that should be flushed out in your urine build up in your bloodstream. These are called uremic toxins. This toxic soup is what causes brain fog or uremic encephalopathy. You can't focus, your memory is shot, and you feel confused. A 2020 study in the Journal of Pain and Symptom Management confirmed that this fatigue is one of the most debilitating symptoms for kidney patients, and it's directly linked to that uremic load. This uremia also causes another strange sign, a metallic or ammonia-like taste in your mouth, sometimes called uremic fetor. Food tastes off. You might lose your appetite entirely. That's the toxins building up. Sign number 3. This buildup of waste doesn't just make you tired, it also changes your body's entire fluid balance. Your kidneys are responsible for regulating 2 critical things, your body's fluid and your blood pressure. When they start to fail, they can't effectively remove excess sodium and water. So, where does that fluid go? It pools in what we call the dependent areas. You'll see it as edema, or swelling, in your feet, your ankles, and your hands. You might notice your socks leaving a deep indent at the end of the day, or that your rings feel tight. For some, it shows up as puffiness around the eyes, especially in the morning. But that fluid doesn't just stay in your legs. It can back up into your lungs, a condition called pulmonary edema. This is what causes that feeling of shortness of breath, or dyspnea. You might feel winded just walking to the mailbox, or you might find you can't lie flat in bed without feeling like you're drowning. At the same time, this extra fluid volume, combined with the kidney's inability to regulate blood pressure hormones, creates stubbornly high blood pressure. It's a vicious cycle. High blood pressure damages the kidneys, and damaged kidneys can't control high blood pressure. A 2017 review in the journal Hypertension detailed this exact relationship, noting that this is why uncontrolled high blood pressure is both a primary cause and a major consequence of kidney disease. Sign number 4. Now, this fluid and waste problem leads us to another strange set of symptoms you would never think to connect to your kidneys: relentless, maddening itching and muscle cramps. This is often a sign of something called chronic kidney disease mineral and bone disorder, or CKD-MBD. Here's the clinical breakdown. Healthy kidneys are masters at balancing minerals, especially phosphorus and calcium. They also activate vitamin D, which lets you absorb calcium from your food. When kidneys fail, two things happen. They can't get rid of excess phosphorus, and they can't activate vitamin D, so phosphorus levels in your blood skyrocket. This high phosphorus acts like a magnet, pulling calcium out of your bones, making them weak. But all that calcium and phosphorus doesn't just vanish. It forms tiny, sharp crystals that deposit in your blood vessels, your heart, and your skin. That is what causes the itch. It's called uremic pruritus. It's a deep, relentless itch that no amount of lotion will fix, because the problem isn't on your skin, it's in it. A 2019 study in Kidney International Reports found a direct link: the higher the patient's phosphate levels, the more severe their itching. This same mineral chaos, imbalances in calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium, also disrupts nerve and muscle function, leading to painful, spontaneous muscle cramps. Sign number 5. Finally, let's talk about the symptoms you might mistake for a stomach bug or just eating a bad meal. The same uremic toxins that we talked about, the ones that cause fatigue and brain fog, also wreak havoc on your entire gastrointestinal tract. They irritate the lining of your stomach, leading to a persistent lack of appetite, chronic nausea, and, in severe cases, vomiting. It's not a temporary bug, it's a constant feeling of being off your food. A 2021 study in BMC nephrology confirmed this, finding that these GI symptoms are extremely common in later-stage kidney disease. They are often underreported by patients, but they severely impact a person's nutritional status, leading to unintended weight loss and muscle wasting. And what about pain? While it's true that many kidney diseases are silent, meaning they don't cause pain until the very late stages, some conditions, like polycystic kidney disease, severe infections, or large kidney stones, can cause a very specific pain. It's a deep, dull ache in your flank, that's your back, just below your ribs, on one or both sides. So let's pull this all together. Here's the doctor's verdict. Your kidneys are your body's master filtration and balancing system. The signs of their failure are not usually one single, obvious thing. They are systemic. They affect your whole body. It's a cluster of symptoms. It's the fatigue and brain fog from uremia and anemia. It's the swelling in your ankles from fluid and sodium. It's the maddening itch from high phosphorus. And it's the foamy urine from protein leakage. Do not dismiss these. Do not write them off as just getting old. Early detection is the single most important factor, the only factor, in preserving your kidney function and preventing further damage. If any of these signs sound familiar, it is not a cause for panic, but it is a reason for a conversation. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.